Subscribe to M.Laskar and click on this bell icon for latest technologies video update. Hello friends, today I made a new tutorial how to fix internet connected but no internet access. Friends, some simple tips and tricks you applied. I hope your problem solved. Let's start now. Friends, as you can see, connection is full internet connection and hold, and your internet page, Google page, no internet access. Okay, no internet. Okay, I refresh again, same, no internet access. Simply click on and open the network and sharing center. Simply tap on, and as you can see, this internet network to internet close. Okay, and now this site cannot be reached, and main problem, DNS address could not be found. Diagnosis this problem, main issue this problem. Okay friends, and now this automatically close it out. Okay, now this same problem, not problem is solved. Okay, simple tab on change adapter setting, tab on this and click on right click and tab on is simple disable, and is this local area connection is disabled, and click on again enable. Okay, and now you check your internet work and not work. Simply press refresh. No, no change. As you can see, no internet. Okay, internet access message but no internet. Okay, now this site cannot be reached. Okay, now click on internet option, click on simply find your find connection option, tab on and click on this connection, and click on your LAN setting. Simply click on LAN setting, and as you can see, the automatically detect the setting, use automatic component skip. You maybe you trick, please untrick this and automatically selected. Okay, untrick and okay, and okay, click on OK box. Okay, now check again, refresh and check again, same issue. Now click on change adapter setting and click on your last option properties. Simply tap on this. Find your internet protocol version 6 and internet protocol version 4. Simply tap on internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Tap on and click on your properties. Okay, and now simply tap on this general, not for alternate configure, general. Tap on and click on the use following DNS server address. Okay, my DNS server address, I type it, my Wi-Fi DNS server address, just example, and simply tap on OK. Okay, and your any others broadband connection, any others modem, any others Wi-Fi broadband others connection, some type and 88848 and last option 1111. Okay, now and simply OK. Now type, I retype my Wi-Fi DNS address. Okay, and click on OK. Close box on close, and now refresh again. Internet access, refresh again. Now this internet work. Friends, I hope this simple method apply it and problem solved. If your others problem, please comment. I tried your problem solve. Thanks for watching.